Hello everyone, I'm Nancy. Welcome to the channel. I would like to introduce our company and our products. Now I will show you our company's video. Our company is located in Taiwan. We specialize in producing tire repair patches and tools for over 40 years until now. We have professional teams in factory and update equipment every year. Our brand Passmark is originated from Bible. The dove is symbol of purity and peace. Like our products are recyclable. We have been sold over 16 countries. The major market is the Middle East. You can see our partners behind the presentation. Now we are starting to introduce our products. Tire patches can repair on all vehicle tires. We have bias and radial patches options. Tube patches can repair tubes and provide different sizes for different tubes. The rubber cement has to be used with tire and tube patches. The tire stream is one of the repair products to repair tires, and many repair tools can be effective to repair quickly. Now I will show you universal patch demonstration and instruction. First, using markers to mark the area that you want to fix. Second, use a metal wraps tool to grind the surface. Third, apply rubber cement or tire group directly on the inner tire surface and spread evenly. Fourth, remove the black sticker from the patch without touching the exposed surface. Fifth, using roller tools to press the directly. Make sure to press down the edge. Sixth, waiting for the patch to completely dry. Well done to the patch attire. Next, our product is our tube patch demonstration and instruction. First, plug in the tube into the water and find the leak until you can see the bubbles coming out. Second, make sure to dry it off and use the yellow crayon to make a pinhole. Third, use a tool or small square of sandpaper to rough out the area around the hole. Fourth, use a thin layer of glue on the surface and wait for a dry in a few minutes. Fifth, peel the foil backing from the punch. Make sure your finger doesn't touch the exposed patch surface. Sixth, patching the area of the puncture tube. Press it down firmly with your finger. 7. Carefully pick the plastic film up. Use your nail to gradually put it away. 8. Immersing the tube underwater. Make sure no bubbles will appear out. The last one is our bike repair tools. I will show you the instruction. First, locate the puncture of the tire and mark the punctured area. Second, using a plier or hand to remove it away. Third, trying to fill some soap water to see the bubbles coming out. Fourth, prepare the repair tool. Layer is a tire plug with a little strip of vulcanized rubber to straighten it through the split eye. You can twist the strip to convenient repairing. Fifth, find the puncture and insert the plug into the hole. Sixth, leaving distance and pulling the tool out steadily. Remain the rest of the strip in the hole and we are done repairing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Here is our QR code. If you have any question, be free to contact us. See you!